How to call on Viber for iPhone. You can start an audio or video call on Viber for iPhone in two ways. The first method is when you have a chat with a person. You can tap on that conversation. Here you have two buttons on the top, audio and video. Tap on one of them to start a video or audio call. Another way is to tap on the Calls tab from the bottom. On the contact list, you will be able to see the persons who you can call. This icon is the Viber Out button that will need you to pay the call. Only the users who have these two buttons will be able to call for free with the Viber app. Let's start a call. Now your call is starting. The same options mostly that you have on the video call options. You also have it on the audio calls. You have the option to see the chat and camera. Also, you can mute your microphone in the call if you need that. If you wish to end the call, just tap on the End Call. This is how you do a call on Viber for iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.